And this is what it looks like when I took most of it out. It doesn't look too pretty, but I took some of this out in the this area what we call the central pit, and all the other pits along with it. You got the distal pit and the mesial pit, and this is the central pit. We have to take some of this wax out in order to so that the pit itself won't look too shallow. Okay, so if you look at the second molar here, it has it's got little pits in it. Okay, so we're gonna make the central pit of this first molar. It'll be a little easier to make. Okay, so we just take some of it out. That'll look all impressive, but just take some of it out. Now the next step we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and make the contact areas. Okay, in the proximal spaces here. I'm gonna make another little flat disc. I already kind of formed it just a little. We just put it right in there and take a little piece of wax and just form it like this. And I'll just take my instrument and just go back and forth just to flatten it. And you got to keep it to this shape here. Okay, just roll it out. Try to keep it within the form. You don't have to be perfect. Cut some of this off. Cut it back. Take some of it off. You don't have to be all that perfect. Just keep it within the pattern. Once you take that, you just peel some of it off here. Take it. And what we're going to do, come over here. And we're going to place it right in between the interproximal spaces. Right between here. Okay. Sometimes the disc that we made, you have enough to do that. So we're going to just put a little wax in here and smoothen it out. Smoothen it out here. Pack it in. And we're going to make another bar and put another one right here on the mesial side. We created the distal. We're going to make it nice and smooth. I'm going to show you what it should look like when it's done.